Here we have the Smeg 2-slice toaster, a kitchen appliance that doesn't just toast your bread, but also adds some retro design to your counter. The first thing you will notice is the nice 1950s inspired design. The Smeg toaster comes in a range of beautiful colors, from this bright red one to classic chrome, giving your kitchen a vintage vibe. It's not just about looks though, the stainless steel body feels sturdy and premium. This toaster offers 6 browning levels, allowing you to get the perfect toast, whether you like it light or extra crisp. It also has a reheat and defrost function. We have this toaster a few years now and we are really happy with it. It keeps really well, the quality is really good.